2026 Kia K4 Preview. What to expect? The Kia K4 arrives as an all-new car for the 2025 model year to replace the outgoing Forte sedan. With the 2025 K4 being an all-new model, the 2026 Kia K4 is expected to be a carryover model. Here's what shoppers can expect to see with the 2026 Kia K4. The upcoming 2026 Kia K4 should continue to have the same sporty and aggressive styling as the current model that's on sale. The K4's front end features T-shaped daytime running lights, a slim version of Kia's Tiger nose grille, a wide front air intake, and angular trim pieces that outline the fascia. The side profile of the K4 reveals a heavily sloping roofline, R-shaped tail lights, and a unique C-pillar design. For an affordable compact sedan, the 2026 Kia K4 will have a striking interior design that matches the exterior and the current K4 on dealer lots. The dashboard is dominated by dual screens that are incorporated into a single panel, while a slim row of physical controls is located on a separate trim piece directly below the center console. Horizontal air vents separate the K4's infotainment and HVAC controls. The K4 has a stylish two-pronged steering wheel on lower trims, while the sporty GT line adds a chunkier four-pronged steering wheel. On the tech front, the 2026 Kia K4 should come with the same features as the current Kia K4. Kia hasn't shared all of the 2025 K4's standard features yet. The compact sedan comes with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, a digital instrument cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth, satellite radio, and 4 USB-C ports. Higher trims will come with dual 12.3-inch displays and a wireless charging pad. 2026 Kia K4 engine and specs. The 2026 Kia K4 is available with two different engines. The base engine is a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that makes 147 horsepower. The K4 will be offered with an optional turbocharged 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 190 HP. A continuously variable automatic transmission is standard, while the turbocharged engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive is standard. 2026 Kia K4 safety. At the moment, we know the 2026 Kia K4 should come standard with pedestrian and cyclist detection, automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, a driver attention monitor, and automatic high beam assist. Higher trim levels should come with a safe exit warning, lane following assist, rear cross traffic alert, and blind spot monitoring. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Kia has kept the K4's interior design clean and simple, with a linear look to the dash. Although there's a large infotainment display, there are also still several physical buttons for controls, which is refreshing given the auto industry's push to digitize such things. Unfortunately, the available touchscreen that operates the climate controls is easily blocked by the steering wheel. At least the wheel itself is interesting, as it looks different from the wheel in other Kia models and features an offset logo. Infotainment and connectivity. The K4's standard infotainment setup includes a 12.3-inch screen, and upper trims come with a multi-screen arrangement that sees two 12.3-inch displays combined in one continuous flat panel. One serves as a configurable gauge cluster while the other does duty as the main point of access for features such as navigation, radio, climate control, and more. A third, 5.0-inch display sits between the two larger ones and provides access to climate controls. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both standard. Sirius XM satellite radio and in-dash navigation will also likely be available across the K4's lineup. 2026 Kia K4 price. Pricing for the 2026 Kia K4 has not been confirmed yet. The current K4 lineup ranges from $23,145 to $29,245. Prices include destination. Pricing for the 2026 model year should remain close to the current model that's on sale. Competitors in the compact segment include the Toyota Corolla, Mazda 3, Hyundai Elantra, Volkswagen Jetta, Honda Civic, and Nissan Sentra. 2026 Kia K4 release date. With the current Kia K4 arriving in the second half of 2024, we expect to see the 2026 Kia K4 arrive at dealerships before the end of 2025. More information on the compact sedan should become available within the next few months. Please check back for updates on the Kia K4 as they become available.